Let's get you breaking updates now coming in. Top leaders have started arriving for the CLP meeting. Now, this is an important formality where DK Shivkumar will be officially named as the leader of the party. And then, of course, he is all set to become the Chief Minister of Karnataka. It is a mere formality because the High Command has already made it clear that DK Shivkumar will be the Chief Minister. So the CLP meeting is all set to begin. And for this meeting, there are also the top Congress leaders, including Randeep Surjewala, who is also the Karnataka in charge, as well as KC Venugopal, the senior Congress leader, who have arrived in Bengaluru. Listen in to the reaction.
CLP meeting has been called by the All India Congress Committee and the CLP leader, and we will elect the Chief Minister of the state, because the CLP leader has already resigned. In his place, the party has decided Mr. DK Shivkumar will be the leader and he will be elected.
So the new leader to succeed the outgoing Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, that's what's expected in this meeting. My colleagues Imran and Shomit are joining us on the broadcast. Let me go across to Imran, joining us from Vidhana Sauda. And Imran, this is a very important moment, although it is just a formality. Tell us what is expected in this meeting. Of course, with the High Command giving a go-ahead, it's unlikely that there will be any disgruntlement or any discussion really on the matter, isn't it?
KC Venugopal. Well, absolutely. In fact, right now, it's only a process as the Congress Party's Chief Legislative Party meeting has been called, and the Legislative Party meeting, there is a process of introducing the Chief Minister's name, who will take over as the leader of the CLP, the leader of this Legislative Party. In this case, all the Member of Parliaments, Rajya Sabha and both Lok Sabha will be there along with the MLAs to be part of the process, and his name will be presented there by the incumbent Chief Minister there, Siddaramaiah. And after that, the discussion will happen, and what discussion happened, the names will be given to the High Command in Delhi. From Delhi, the name will be announced of both the Chief Minister and of the party president. While these this name has already been announced, but it's a formal process of in the Congress Party. Their norms in the processes is that the names will be announced, discussion will happen. The observers like the ACC state in charge, Randeep Surjewala and General Secretary KC Venugopal will take what the MLAs say back to the High Command, and then when the circular will be issued nominating DK Shivkumar as the Chief Minister of the state. And we have to wait and see who the party president will be, because there is still discussion going on about party president. And what we know is that on June 3rd, the oath ceremony will take place along with the Chief Minister, in this case DK Shivkumar. 10 ministers will be take oath as part of the cabinet. What we know is that in the first round of cabinet oath taking, very senior ministers in the cabinet like KJ George, Priyank Kharge, MB Patil, Parameshwar, all these people will take oath, and the rest will follow later. Rahul Gandhi has instructed that at least two-thirds of the cabinet should be enthused with young MLA should be given the cabinet post is what is there. So we're likely to see more young faces in the new cabinet now, and also around 15 to 20 sitting ministers will likely to lose their positions.
Okay, all right, Imran, stay with us. Karnataka is witnessing a big political development with Siddaramaiah stepping down, submitting his resignation, and the resignation being accepted, which means he has paved the way for the Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivkumar to take oath as the Chief Minister. All eyes are on this Congress Legislature Party meeting that is just beginning, and as we speak, top leaders have already started arriving at the CLP meeting venue. We have some breaking updates now coming in. While it is all but clear that the CLP meeting is just a mere formality, protests have begun, interestingly, at the KPCC office in Bengaluru. Workers demanding that G. Parameshwara be made the Chief Minister. So High Command has, of course, made it clear that DK Shivkumar will be the Chief Minister, but there are some protests still ongoing, with some protests taking place right outside the KPCC office, with these protesters demanding that G. Parameshwara should become the Chief Minister of Karnataka. So as of now, of course, we do know that the CLP meeting is taking place, and the party leaders will be electing the new leader to succeed the outgoing Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. But there are protests, supporters of G. Parameshwara who want him to be the Chief Minister. Shomit is joining us with the details. And Shomit, for many months now, there have been speculations that there will be an exit from Siddaramaiah as the chief minister, but it was almost certain that it will be DK Shivkumar who will be taking oath. But there were many speculations on whether there will be another name. And clearly, even if the Congress MLAs have been given clear instructions by the Congress High Command, everyone within the Congress party workers or the supporters don't seem to have agreed. There seem to be protests there.
Well, just now, top leaders have started arriving here, and Priyank Kharge and ministers have already spoken to us, and they stated that now the CLP meeting will take place, and they will elect the DK Shivkumar as leader. And sir, what is expected in the CLP?
I think there will be a one-line resolution.
And what is that resolution, sir?
Yeah, that will be like, yeah, it will be like...
Live. Yes, sir, yes.
It will be decided that the CLP has unanimously decided to name DK Shivkumar as the CLP leader.
Okay, sir. And when is your taking ceremony? Just now, Priyank Kharge was speaking to Times and said that apparently it is on 3rd.
Might be. It could be on the 3rd.
Okay. And resolution will also be sent to the High Command?
No, of course. See, High Command has authorized, and we have High Command representatives. Our in-charge General Secretary, our organization also is here. When the people from the highest level have come, they'll convey it to the High Command. This is the resolution of the legislature party, and then the other formalities will follow.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yeah. So top leaders are speaking to Times Now, and just now Priyank Kharge, while speaking to Times Now, has stated that apparently the on June 3rd CMO taking ceremony is expected, and Minister Ramlinga Reddy, while exclusively speaking to Times Now, has stated that as of now, DK will be elected as the leader, and then the decision will be sent to the High Command, and then High Command will take the final call. And that will be communicated to the lower leadership here, and then the letter of support will be submitted to the governor office. Is right now what we are given to understand. So just now we have heard from the top leaders. Right now we can clearly see the situation here at Vidhan Saudha. Almost all top leaders have arrived. Even sir, what is expected in the CLP?
We'll elect our new leader.
And sir?
After that, the course will take.
Okay, just now Rizwan Arshad, minister, has spoken to Times Now, and he also confirmed that they'll be electing the leader here at the Vidhan Saudha, and after that. The resolution will be given to the decision taken will be mentioned in the resolution, and the resolution copy will be given to the both the governor office and to the High Command. Okay. And after that, it is expected that High Command will be taking the final call, and on 3rd, it is expected that the CMO taking ceremony will take place, and even Priyank Kharge on record, has stated that on 3rd of June, CMO taking ceremony is expected. So as of now, we can clearly see, all the arrangements have been made for the meeting here, and the public, even public are waiting outside the Vidhan Saudha for the decision to be, mentioned to them, and official decision will be taken shortly. Is what we are going to understand.
All 135 Congress MLAs have been asked to attend the CLP meeting. The AICC General Secretary in Karnataka in charge, Randeep Singh Surjewala, is an observer. And you also have KC Venugopal in this meeting. Shamit, stay with us. We are also getting in live visuals. The leaders have started arriving already, and they have said that there will be a one-line resolution. Of course, this is all but a formality for the Congress party, because the Congress High Command has already said that decks have to be cleared for DK Shivkumar to be the chief minister. Siddaramaiah has already stepped down, so it is unlikely that there will be any drama that will take place in the CLP meeting. We're getting visuals that are now coming in of KC Venugopal as well as Randeep Surjewala, who are observers in this meeting. Remember, before this meeting, the chief minister in waiting, DK Shivkumar, also met the governor to indicate the preferred dates for the swearing-in ceremony, with sources indicating that it is on the 3rd of June that he will be taking oath. So we also are now getting in information that Jairam Ramesh is also currently there for this meeting. Now, once the CLP elects its leader, DK Shivkumar will also be meeting the governor officially to seek permission to form the new government and finalize the date on the swearing-in ceremony with the Council of Ministers.
The heartiest congratulations.
Just I want to meet. I'll come. I'll let you know. I'll let you know.
And the discussions on the cabinet
I'll
have
let
been.
you know.
So what are we?
So the stage is set for DK Shivkumar's era in Karnataka. There's a big statement being made by multiple Congress leaders who have, of course, confirmed that DK Shivkumar is going to be named the CLP leader, and then that resolution is going to be sent to the Congress High Command. Like we mentioned, this is, of course, just a formality because it has been clear that DK Shivkumar will take oath as the Chief Minister. Over the last 24 to 48 hours, there have been many discussions on the cabinet formation. The discussions have been ongoing. There were several aspirants who have been lobbying for the ministerial berths as well, and the government formation process now being prioritized so that the Rajya Sabha and Legislative Council elections can be given due importance, and that unity of the Congress party remains with these elections. Shomit continues to stay live with us, and Shomit, over the last 24 to 48 hours, there have been a lot of discussions because while it may be clear who the Chief Minister is, there were a lot of question marks on who all will be part of the cabinet. All right, we'll try and reconnect that line with Shomit, but there have been a lot of discussions on who will be part of the cabinet. All right, Shomit is live with us.
Well, yes, Pratibha, lots of key developments happening right now, and we speak, top leaders, all the MLAs are arriving at the Vidhan Sabha, and we can clearly see the situation here. Almost all top leaders have already arrived, and even, observers from the, national leadership, Surjewala, KC Venugopal, they are also here, and top leaders are expecting here, and we can clearly see the situation here. MLAs have already arrived, and the ministers have spoken to Times Now exclusively. Priyank Kharge has on record, confirmed that on June 3rd, the vote-taking ceremony will take place, and at the same time, Minister Ramlinga Reddy and Minister Rizwan Arshad, they have stated that, leader will be CLP leader will be elected, and short while from now, meeting will begin, is what we are given to understand. Right now, we can clearly see lots of action here at the Vidhan Sabha. Leaders are arriving, MLAs have been summoned. All the MLAs have been asked to come to the Vidhan Sabha, and already almost all the big faces they have arrived. CM Siddaramaya's son has also arrived here at the Vidhan Sabha, and even other top leaders are expected here. And short while from now, meeting will begin, is what we are given to understand. So right now, we see the situation. Ministers have on record have confirmed to Times Now that shortly from now, meeting will begin. And after that, after the meeting, leader will be elected, and then, after the, that resolution will be given to the, copy will be submitted to the governor, and then, from there, also one copy will be given to submitted to the High Command, and High Command will take the final call, and then, it is expected that after the final call is taken, that will be communicated here, and then governor's time will be sought, and then, it is expected that on 3rd, Chief Minister oath-taking ceremony might take place. So right now, there is Minister speaking here, Ishwar Kandre. So let's ask him a question. Sir, what is expected?
All of you know that.
Sir, what is expected? What is expected?
It will be an anonymous resolution.
Okay.
The leader will be elected.
Okay.
And later on, cabinet will be constituted.
And sir, when is it expected, sir? When is cabinet formation expected? When is vote taking?
3-4 days.
Okay.
Discussion will happen, all deliberations will take place, senior leaders will sit together, take opinion of all the people, they'll balance the things, youngsters, seniors and all, and region-wise, community-wise, and they'll take a proper call in the interest of the party and the government.
Vote taking on 3rd, vote taking on 3rd, sir.
I don't
taking
know
on 3rd.
regarding that. Party will
Sir,
decide.
how many deputy CMs?
I don't know regarding deputy CMs. Party has to decide.
And you will be in the cabinet, sir? You will be in the cabinet, sir?
Very good. Do you expect the birth in the same cabinet also?
I have done whatever best I can do from my side. I worked sincerely and honestly and brought in a lot of reforms in forest department. And party is also
Sir,
recognized.
being a senior leader, are you confident?
I am confident.
Yes.
Why should I be thinking is I hope that everything will go on smoothly.
So right now we have heard Minister Ishwar Khandre, and he has stated that he's senior and is confident enough. And today, CLP leader will be elected, and unanimous resolution will be made, and that resolution will be submitted accordingly to the High Command and to the Governor as well. And then next, in the following days, in the coming 3-4 days, this is the version of Ishwar Khandre, Minister. So, in the following days, in 3-4 days from now, cabinet formation will take place, because to form the new government, cabinet is a must. First, vote-taking ceremony will happen, CM vote-taking ceremony will happen, and followed by, colleagues Neha and Imran has brought this information that 9 to 10 ministers, 9 to 10 MLAs might, take oath along with the DK Shiv-Kumar. So, a new cabinet formation is expected, and in the new cabinet, both seniors and juniors, because young leaders, Rahul Gandhi is somewhat keen on giving cabinet burst to the young leaders. So right now Ishwar Khandre has stated that both senior leaders and the young leaders will be inducted into the cabinet, and that process will take place. And at the same time, the party should also keep important key factors in mind when it comes to the caste. Back to you.
Okay, all right. Ishwar Khandre speaking to Shomit there. He is, of course, from the Veerashaiva Lingayat community. Like we mentioned, the Congress party is looking at also balancing out the caste equations in Karnataka and also the power balance within the state. And discussions have been ongoing. In fact, sources have also indicated that the Congress party is also looking at having deputy chief ministers. Who will the deputy chief ministers be? Is it going to be 1 or 2 deputy chief ministers or more in Karnataka? Those discussions are still ongoing. But currently, the CLP meeting is underway, where DK Shiv-Kumar will be declared the leader of the party, and then he will be meeting the governor to officially seek dates for the oath-taking ceremony. We have more reactions now coming in. Listen in.
आज सीएलपी में लीडर चुनाव होता है, अनअपोज डिक्लेयर होता है, इसके बारे में कोई चिंता नहीं। हमारा पार्टी का वरिष्ठ नेता भी आ रहा है, उनका नेतृत्व में वो निर्णय हो जाएगा। शाम को वो निर्णय राज्यपाल को सौंप देगा, उसके बाद पूरा मंत्रिमंडल का कल से शुरू होता है।
All right, we have breaking updates now coming in. DK Shiv-Kumar is likely to take oath on the 3rd of June, and there will be at least 9 ministers who will be taking oath with him. My colleague Imran is getting us this information. Imran, so June 3rd, that seems to be the date that is decided for DK Shiv-Kumar to take oath as the chief minister. Of course, an official word is still awaited on that. But also, there are going to be others who will take oath with him. 9 ministers. Who all will it be? What are the details?
Well, yes, so Times Now had broken the story that the June 3rd will be, where the vote-taking ceremony will be there day for yesterday, and now DK Shiv-Kumar himself has confirmed that, that vote-taking ceremony will be on 3rd. Along with him, 10 other ministers will be taking oath, including HK Patil, and also, Priyank Kharge, MP Patil, and also Parameshwara, KJ George, all the senior leaders, Ramlinga Reddy, who are part of the senior members of the earlier cabinet, will be taking oath, along with a few new names. But important is that now who will the party president, because there's still fight happening over this, because Satish Jarakule is putting his foot down that he wants both party president post and the ministry, but the High Command is asking him to choose one, because as a rule they have kept now is the one person, one post. So there's still negotiations happening over that. Will be shortly. Also the speaker's post is also being under discussion now, where various other names are being floated. But one thing confirmed, after the CLP meet today, many of the leaders will go to Delhi, and the final discussion about cabinet and party president will be done tomorrow. And then for 3rd, they'll be taking oath there in Bangalore. DK Shiv-Kumar as a chief minister, along with 10 other senior members of as part of the cabinet.
Okay, so DK Shiv-Kumar himself confirming the date. Let's listen in. All right. Let's play out that reaction in just a moment. I'm told we have that reaction. All right, let's play it.
Going for CLP meeting from now. Mangalore Ebani, sir. Sir, oath will be on 3rd, sir. Going for CLP meeting from now. Mangalore Ebani, sir. Sir, oath will be on 3rd, sir. Going for CLP meeting from now. Mangalore Ebani, sir. Sir, oath will be on 3rd, sir.
And even before the dust settles on Karnataka's leadership transition, attention is already also shifting on the new cabinet, with sources telling Times Now that DK Shivkumar has also used his trip to Delhi with a list of probable ministers that he wants in his cabinet, key leaders who are expected to play a significant role in the cabinet. Let's take a look at who are the probables. Priyank Kharge is one of the senior leaders. He is already a minister in the Karnataka cabinet and he is likely to be retained yet again, and so is G. Parmeshwara. Now remember, we told you that the Congress party is keen to have a caste balance in the cabinet, and both Priyank Kharge and G. Parmeshwar are from the Dalit community. From the ST community, Satish Jarkiholi is likely to be in the cabinet. In fact, he is also the front runner to be the state president of the party. Apart from Satish Jarkiholi, there will be a representation from the community, from B. Nagendra as well. Apart from that, as a Vokkalega strongman, DK Shivkumar becomes the chief minister, there will be multiple Lingayat leaders in the cabinet as well, including the veteran Congress leader H.K. Patil, as well as M.B. Patil and Lakshmi Hebbalkar. There will be representation from the minority community as well. Zamir Ahmed Khan as well as UT Khadar are expected to be in the cabinet.
Joining with us is senior leader and probably the next president of the Congress party of Karnataka, Mr. Satish Jarkiholi. Sir, it's almost confirmed you are going to be the next party president. Is going to have announced a CLP, sir?
Not yet confirmed. अभी तो confirm नहीं हुआ है. शाम तक देखेंगे. सुरजेवाला साहब केसी वेणु जी आ रहा है. जी. आने के बाद सिद्धरामैया जी और DK शिवकुमार जी चर्चा होने के बाद उसका नतीजा निकलेंगे. शाम तक नहीं तो कल तक वेट करेंगे.
सर ऑलमोस्ट CLP है, क्या आप कुछ रन डाउन करेंगे, क्या होने वाला है CLP में सर?
CLP तो वो सिर्फ CLP का है, फॉर्मल मीटिंग है. DK शिवकुमार CLP लीडर बनेंगे, उसका ही मीटिंग है. बाकी कुछ नहीं है. ये अध्यक्ष का बात में शायद चर्चा हो जाएंगे.
कुछ इश्यूज हैं सर अध्यक्ष को लेकर, क्या आपके कुछ डिमांड्स हैं इसको लेकर?
नहीं, कुछ डिमांड नहीं. क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है ये तो वरिष्ठ लोग हैं, वो करेंगे.
सर कैबिनेट एक्सपेंशन का कुछ उसका डिस्कशन?
पता नहीं, वो वहाँ तक अभी तक हम नहीं गए. उसके बाद में देखेंगे.
ठीक है सर.
जिस बेदर्दी के साथ, जिस क्रूरता के साथ राहुल गांधी ने सिद्धारमैया, जो वहाँ के पिछड़े समाज के बहुत मजबूत नेता थे, उनको ढकेल करके बाहर किया है, उससे राहुल गांधी पूरी तरह एक्सपोज हो गए हैं. वो सिर्फ दो ही काम करते हैं, दलित पिछड़ा, दलित पिछड़ा, दलित पिछड़ा. अकेला प्रदेश जहाँ एक पिछड़ा वर्ग का आदमी मजबूती के साथ सत्ता पर बैठा हुआ था, उन्होंने निकाल के उसको मक्खी की तरह, जैसे दूध में से मक्खी फेंकते हैं, वैसे ही सिद्धारमैया को निकाल के फेंक दिया. वो अच्छी तरह इस बात को जानते हैं कि इस बियावन जंगल में आकर के वो गायब हो जाएंगे. वो वहाँ लड़े रहना चाहते हैं क्योंकि उनके अहंकार को चोट पहुंची है, उनके स्वाभिमान को चोट पहुंची है.
Sir, what is expected in this CLP? What will follow?
Resolution.
And after that?
After that, resolution will be forwarded to governor.
And sir, when is Chief Minister taking ceremony expected, sir?
Wait for some time. I'll check and tell.
So today only meditation will be taken.
Yes.
And after that?
After that, the resolution will be forwarded to governor. Then governor will call.
And sir, this is expected when, sir?
Today.
Today.
Vote taking, huh?
Vote taking.
Not today.
Okay.
Let me wait for 1 hour.
Okay. It is saying the third is a vote taking ceremony.
I don't know.
And well, now you can also watch Times Now on Times Play, available on all major apps and app stores. Quick break, we'll be right back.